morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today?
It's no exception.
Today is no exception. We're gonna go back and do a quick film job on a sewer job we just did and get the shots. See what's going on in there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons to plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. You got anything today?
Happy Friday. Where's CB?
Yeah, where is CB? Where is CB on this Friday morning? You know how to set it up, right? The easiest way to do it is go like this. Just stand around his leg. You get the black knob right here. See the little nipple there?
Down at the top one?
Spot, yeah. Look for the spot where it goes in, just like so. Okay? Look for that. Huh? There it is. Hold the button down. Somebody's flushing, so we're going to get the shot here. There it is. Slow flow. Get the camera out. Here's what we do. Look. See how it comes out of the coil? I always bring it out like so. You can run it like this. Has legs. You can lay it down or stand it up.
Stand up.
So you're standing it up. All right. Once you get it started, hold on one sec. You got to hit the start button, record.
Okay.
Oh, that's when it creates the job. You see the countdown?
Yeah.
Okay. And this here, this ball,
So it doesn't get wet?
it keeps the camera out of the water. And you're going to find that if we're in water, it's going to be a problem. And watch that lens. All right. You don't want to hit down with cement or anything like that. See how it counts the feet as you go in? And also degree. See, that's already holding water. Look at that.
Yeah.
Go ahead. A lot of rocks in there. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, see, that must be a big sag right there.
Still got water in it.
Now we're 10 feet back. That's a lot of rocks, man.
How does that get? How rocks even
Back that up a little bit. Listen to me. You can just push it in the cable, push it in it. First of all, turn it this way so you can see what you're doing.
Okay, yeah.
All right?
All right, I got it, yeah.
Look, there's like a bunch of slate. Look at that. Wow. All right. That's why I got by a jet.
And push it all up.
See the white stuff on top? That's actually grease. And I learned from one of our subscribers that when grease gets cold, it floats to the top and sticks. That's what happens. And sometimes you'll see a crack in the bottom of the pipe.
I remember the one job we did. There was a giant one.
Yeah.
When we replaced it, the giant crack on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Is that just from the water staying on the bottom?
No, it's just a seam. Look at that. Oh, look at the grease. Go ahead. Keep going, dog. That's a lot of grease up top. See how it's kind of closing a little bit?
Uh-huh. Again, smaller.
You're 16 feet in. This also records you on the mic, just so you know.
Oh, it does? Oh.
Someone just flushed. See, that's a sag there.
Uh-huh.
Now we remember how far was it back? 30 feet?
Yeah, I guess.
Because we're going to find where it turns into the building. And again, this sewer is original.
So it's all grease on the top?
Yeah.
Gee.
Angelo loves her bacon, eggs, and grease. Little family give back time right now, folks. Little training for the young fella.
There's another flush.
Another flush? Alright. I really want to see the end.
I think it was 40 feet, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was too. You want to roll that too. If it gets hard, roll the drum.
It's good right now.
Alright. Wow.
That's crazy.
So we're going to go, I'll be honest with you, this is another place where you train on the jet. A jetter will clear all that. Keep going. More grease. There's a turn right there. This is, we can't make this turn. See how it's a 90 right there?
Uh-huh.
So let's see if we get a flush here.
So with the jet, do you do that from the inside or from?
No, the jet goes in. It's a whole. I've never done one, so it's going to be a learning experience for us all.
It just shoots it.
You go in, like a cable like so. It's full of water at high pressure, and it's got jets that actually force the water back towards us.
Okay, so it's like facing.
So it's going to clean the pipe
and bring it out.
Yes.
That's
so
what I thought. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Some people do it. It's a little risky because the water inside the building. The shot of coming around the 90 and the real time coming to the sewer box here. Here it comes. Oh, they're running the wash machine. Oh, never mind. We're good. Here it comes. Just turn to 90. Let's see how long it takes to come out. And again, minimum pitch here, folks. There it is. All right, bring her out, Ange. Let me get my phone. That's it. Looks good, man. Oh, hold on. Let's wipe that down as it comes out.
Come on, Jason. Come on, Jason.
What's up, Ange?
Come on, Jason. How are you?
What's happening, Ange?
Not much.
Fucking this shit with this virus, huh? It's crazy. The fuck?
It's just a cough.
Yeah, that's all.
My school just got shut down. It's all online classes for the rest of the year.
So when are you gonna have to? You have to go to. What's with the makeup?
It's just like we're just continuing
Yeah.
like.
Switch hands. You're wiping on your glove. There you go.
I'm on spring break right now until the 25th, and then
Watch the lens.
starting the 25th. It's just like we're just continuing
Yeah.
like.
Switch hands. You're wiping on your glove. There you go.
I'm on spring break right now until the 25th, and then
Watch the lens.
starting the 25th, I just go.
Alright. Trying freely.
Yeah.
You know? We run the washing machine or something in there? Must be.
The sump pump.
Is the sump pump pumping?
It's always running and running. The door's open. There's a reset button on there, but it sounds like it's just constantly running.
Let me take a look.
There's hardly any water. Yeah. Back door's open. I'm gonna go to the store.
Oh yeah, you pack all that up, okay?
Alright.
We'll test out the pitch, which that's another level. Okay?
What do you mean?
This actually tells you the pitch too.
I
didn't bring a locator.
Yeah, I haven't used or seen it yet. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, it's key. I just took a walk downstairs. The sump pump is doing its job. I want to show this young buck what's going on here.
Little cardinal.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, I love cardinals. Hi, Cardinal. So, Joe, he wanted to know if this pump was still good.
Which one?
This.
Alright. No.
Trash. Come on. Let's spend some money here, people. Now, I kept hearing water run, right? So you hear the water running? The pump's actually doing its job because this has groundwater in the basement. So there's so much groundwater coming in.
It's just non-stop pumping.
It's non-stop. That's
Yeah,
why I keep.
the other day we were here, there was water here.
Yeah.
Because
It was full. Yeah. What's this? A backup battery? Open that up. Oh yeah. Look at that. See, it's doing its job. So that's why the water keeps running outside. Alright? Which is another story. And we all know what that story is. Alright. Alright, folks. In conclusion on that one, we all know what needs to be done is a new sewer. It is what it is. We did get it cleared that day. I was probably here, I'm going to say a good 5. Was I here before Sandy or after Sandy? I might have been here 10 years ago, so I guess that's a good run, I guess. And I'll be honest with you, I really want to get a jet. And I just want to get the boy here comfortable with the camera. Both these young bucks comfortable with the camera and the sewer equipment, and that's the goal.
All done?
Yes, sir. Oh, the sump pump. Listen, sump pump's doing its job. There's a lot of groundwater right now.
All right.
You can see the water. You can see the water coming from the footing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And that pump on the side.
Yeah.
You want to reuse it?
I don't know.
Trash.
Yeah, fuck it. I don't care. I don't care.
Come on, that joke is trash.
All right.
Yeah, get rid of it.
I won $3 on my lottery last night.
There it is.
Hey, go ahead.
The winning ways are starting today.
Yeah, imagine that.
All right, brother.
All right, you guys, thanks, man.
You got it.
Good seeing you, Jay.
Anyway, folks, we know it has to happen there. We'll give this a little testing ground when we get our jet. Coming very soon. We'll get these guys on. We'll get me on it. I got some customers I want to test on the jet and or the camera. So, anything, Angelo?
Negative.
Anything? Nothing.
Happy Friday.
Not buying into the program. What we got? And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.